Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hamza Amin Bhatti and I am a student of aviation department. Today I am here to talk about responsibilities of youth. First of all, what is meant by youth? Youth can be defined as the time period between the childhood and the adult age is called youth. The youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow. Youth is responsible to build the nation, to make the society good and noble. Youth can improve the community and the culture of the society. If youth understands his responsibilities, a large number of crimes may reduce within one day. In our home country, we need a responsible youth. Dear sisters and brothers, youth is simply needs to refresh, to renew and to maintain the current situation of the society. When youth contributes his ideas and energy to resolve the problems in the society, they become the leaders of the society. Depression, anxiety, and eating disorders are very common in our youth, which is not a good thing for their health. Our youth is like to eat junk foods like pizzas, burgers, shawarmas, which is destroying their mental health and physically also. Taking drugs is also very common in our society. Especially smoking is very common in our youths of today. Even girls of our youth is also involved in this. The solution to stop smoking is by educating our youth and their parents as well. It's our school teachers' responsibilities to educate our students that it is a bad thing for their health. After it, many families in our societies have so many problems with their. The main problem is lack of money. They have not enough money to make a better lifestyle which hits their children directly. When students come in class with this type of family issues, it makes a burden on their mind and they lost their interest in their studies, which is not good for their future career. Some students, especially colleges going students, left their schools and colleges just because they want to earn money for their parents, brothers and sisters, because they want to give them a good lifestyle. There is also our school teachers' responsibilities to give them advice about their future career and family problems also. We cannot always build the future for the career, for the youth, but we can build the youth for the future. That's all from my side. Thank you for your attention.